Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Superb Adventures with Nathan. Are you ready for some epic tips on how to achieve straight A's just by using your mindset and having that great mindset? Then you're joining me on an amazing video. Let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before this video, I want to remind you to please make sure to subscribe, share, like, and my channel, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Superb Adventures with Nathan. So this video is welcome back to part 4. I think we're correct, part 4 in my setting up for school success series. The Road to Achieving Straight A series, which is of course part of my setting up for school success series. Today we're going to be talking about creating that positive mindset, which I know many of us are able to. It's not that I'm clueless, so I don't know, but it's really just getting that right mindset in, because I think some of us always say, oh, you know, we're bad at that, or we're not going to be able to do it, but in reality we can. So this video is really all about having that right mindset. So the first thing is a tip that I saw online was you should definitely always believe in your ability to improve, because you know that even though if you were super smart or you're amazing at something, there's always room for improvement. There's always something that you don't know or you just don't quite know yet, but there's always room for improvement even if you're proficient in something. And you can do that by setting SMART goals. So it is an acronym. So S stands for specific, M stands for measurable, and A stands for achievable, R stands for relevant, and T stands for time. So that's kind of an acronym of the kind of goals that you should be setting. I really truly believe, and I'm a firm believer, that goals are very crucial, and that you should be setting goals to help you, especially in school. Definitely, again, like I said, and most of this I am getting online, so you can just search it up as well, but I'm making this video for those of you who like hearing me, share these tips and stuff. That's why I started this series. And definitely replace negative thoughts like I'm not good at something, I'm not good at that subject. An example I see online is I'm not good at math, with actionable or attainable goals such as I will study 30 minutes a day, or I will do a lot of practice tests, just making sure you have that optimistic mindset, because yes, I know school nowadays can be challenging for some of us, but as long as you have that mindset and that you're willing to try, that's really what matters at the end of the day, and that pursuit. Also combining strategies, again, like I've been mentioning throughout the series: planning, active learning, participation, focus, self-care, and now a positive mindset. I'm going to be sharing with you guys in the next video about really the kind of participation you should be giving that will help you achieve straight A's. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it really helped you, and if you know that will help someone else, please feel free to share this video. Please subscribe, comment, and share my videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye everybody.